can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Over the last 1 week, Solana has declined by 3.1%. Over the last 1 month, Solana has declined by 11.9%. Solana currently trades above $150. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll take a look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. We'll take a look at Solana's valuation against the biggest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. We'll look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin. We'll look at Solana's market cap and news story going around the Solana ecosystem. How high can Solana go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen a decline in the altcoin market. The last 1 month has seen double-digit losses across the board. But guys, we're still waiting for that elusive alt-season pump. If you take a look at the Solana US dollar price chart, we have been going sideways for more than 18 months. Since when Solana got to as high as the $150 level for the first time in years, that was in March of 2024. Since then, Solana has been going sideways. Since then, meme coins have been talk of the town. And since then, we've had how Solana meme coins will change the world. But guys, what's happening in reality is that Solana is distributing. What's happening is that smart players that bought Solana down for cheap are selling for sweet profit. We've seen Solana go sideways for more than 455 days. If you see that, it's two things that's either happening, or either happening an accumulation, which sends Solana to higher prices, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or we're having a distribution process which will send Solana down to Goblin Town, maybe back to as low as $10. A brief history on Solana. Let's see what Solana has done over the years. Solana was launched somewhere in 2020. After that, we saw Solana launch pumping aggressively. That initial pump for Solana was awesome. We saw Solana getting to new all-time highs. By November of 2021, Solana has taken its own claim in the cryptocurrency market as a top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. We saw Solana's price getting to as high as $250. But then came the first full crypto bear market for Solana. What happened in that time frame? We saw Solana dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. Solana losing 96% of its value, which is regular in the cryptocurrency market, which happens very often than you believe. That's what all coins do in a bear market. After going up thousands of percentage points, it could easily drop down 96%, 97%. I've seen all coins even drop down 99%. Solana went from $0.23, it went above $200. That's more than 100,000% move in less than 600 days. So you have to bear with those altcoins dumping 90% occasionally here and there. The altcoin market can be very volatile, but that volatility can be your friend or it can be your enemy depending on where you stand. Now, if you went all in Solana when it was down Goblin Town, down around $8, when FTX was collapsing, when everything looks like it was going to zero, that was the best time to get in. That was the best time to get good value for money, because right now you'd be singing Kumbaya. Right now you would have been up more than 1,700%. That's what the smart money have been doing over the last 16 months. They have been distributing above the $150 level. So assuming you had $1 million worth of Solana down here in Goblin Town in December of 2022, you put $1 million in Solana and you went to sleep, right now you have over $17 million. If you buy low, guys, you can sell high. If you buy when there's fear in the market, you can sell in period of extreme greed. And the last 18 months, we've seen extreme greed on the Solana network with meme coins pumping front, left, and center. Which begs the question, can Solana continue outperforming other altcoins? We have seen Solana in this cycle outperform Ethereum. Historically, Ethereum used to be the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market. Usually after Bitcoin, Ethereum does better, but this time around Solana took that mantle. After Bitcoin, Solana has been doing better. Solana even outperformed Bitcoin. We saw Solana's valuation against Ethereum in this bull market cycle go up by more than 1,200%. But guys, something fundamentally changed on the 22nd of April 2025. Since then, we have seen Solana start losing value against Ethereum. Since then, Solana is down 33% against Ethereum. I believe this was the beginning of the crash for Solana's valuation against Ethereum. At some point in time, we might see Solana's valuation against Ethereum go to the 0.032 level. I'm not predicting doom. I'm just saying things will have to revert back to the mean. We've seen Solana having a great time against Ethereum. What are next few days, but the next few weeks, as we get to the end of the market cycle, expect to see Solana still pumping. Maybe we'll see Solana USD even get to as high as $180, maybe even get to as high as $200. But I believe we're going to see Ethereum pump faster than Solana in that time frame. If you look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, similar style story. Solana has been outperforming Bitcoin for majority of this cycle, but over the next few days, over the next few weeks, the story might change. We've seen Solana from the bottom of the bear market outperform Bitcoin by more than 200%. At the top of this cycle, it was outperforming Bitcoin by almost 500%. All good things must come to an end, and I believe Solana's good things will soon end very, very soon. Guys, it doesn't mean Solana is dumping alone. It just means that we can't go up forever in the cryptocurrency market. And you have to understand that if you look at the chart, if you go back in time, you'll see that we've had so many pumps in the past, and we've also had so many dumps in the past. Every pump you see leads to a future dump, and every dump you see leads to a future pump. The market is cyclical that way. You want to be buying low, you want to be selling high. That's your number one job in the cryptocurrency market. When sentiment is flinging front, left, and center, you want to maintain a clear head. You want to buy when there's extreme fear. You want to sell when there's extreme greed. And right now, there's some greed in the cryptocurrency market. We're waiting for those period of extreme greed to roll around, which will send Solana maybe to as high as $180, which will send Bitcoin maybe back above $110,000. But guys, that will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. We look at some details about Solana with a market cap of over $78 billion, fully diluted market cap of $90 billion. Solana's all-time high happened in January 19, 2025. Solana traded for as high as $294. Right now is down 48% from the all-time highs. You want to get some SOL for yourself? You can get some Solana on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bybit, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana right there. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solution. While the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in March of 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva. If you take a look at news stories going around Solana ecosystem, Classover signs $500 million convertible note deals for Solana Reserve. The K-12 education company has up to $900 million to purchase Solana token. So we're seeing exactly what MicroStrategy is doing with Bitcoin. We're seeing other companies try to replicate it with Solana. We are seeing institutional complacency. Be careful out there, guys. We're very close to the end of the cycle. Only God knows when the cycle will end. But the signs and symptoms that we're seeing on the chart tells us that we're in the late stages of the cycle. Solana has been going sideways. Bitcoin dominance is threatening to dump. And Solana dominance in the cryptocurrency market, guys, will easily pump, exit pump. Don't get carried away when you see that pump. Don't think this time is different. This time is not always different. What has happened before is what will happen again. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high can Solana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think it's possible to see set new all-time highs? I believe we can easily go back to the $200 level. Set new all-time highs, that will require an epic pump from Solana. Are you buying more Solana? Are you expecting it to rally above $200, $300? Drop your price target for Solana in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.